Greetings, Bullard, Business Marketing Technology Pathway students, freshman multimedia. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This is number 3 in the Color Wheel project. Today I hope to cover how to get all of our color wheel circles, all 12, to the correct color according to the RGB codes, and to begin the process of the animations, which is the movement of the objects in your PowerPoint slide. So when we left off last, we had built our circle of 12 dots, and we had even begun to get the primary colors using one of these websites that I provided for giving you RGB codes. Part of last tutorial's video was to explain what RGB was, and just in summary, RGB stands for red, green, blue, and there are levels from 0 to 255 for each one of those colors in brightness. So if you were to have 255R, 0 green, 0 blue, you have the most bright, truest red, because it's the maximum level for red, and there's 0 blue mixed in and 0 green mixed in. So with all the combinations that are available with those three colors, if you were to multiply 256 by 256 by 256, you're going to get over 16 million colors. So that's how RGB works as far as blending colors together. So from those, we're going to get secondary colors and also tertiary colors, which is those colors that are like two names, like red, orange, and blue, green, and stuff like that. So let me open up the PowerPoint that we kind of ended up with last time. So I've got my 12 dots. I did the primary colors, so red, green, blue. And just to summarize how we did that, I will show you, let's see, the website is this one here, okay? And it has primary and secondary colors. And so red, like I said, was 25500, so it's all red, 0 green, 0 blue. And blue is just the same way, except that the blue is at the end, so that's going to be full value 255 on just the blue and nothing else for red and green. And for green, same thing, so 0 for red, 0 for blue, but full 255. So let's do our secondary colors. So for those, if we were to do orange, I've got 255, 1020. And so I think what I'm going to do is on here, I actually have a sample so we know which order our colors are in. So I'm going to copy this image to make things easier, and I'm going to paste it into this slide. And ooh, that did not work. Let's just do a regular save then. Alright. No worries. Let's do this. I want to do a snipping tool like so. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint, and I'm going to paste it. There we go. And then I'm going to make it small and out of the way so I could still work with this. So now I have an idea of which colors I need to do. So orange is going to be right here, this right here. And so going back to the website, we know that orange is going to be 255 red, 102 green, and 0 blue. So 255, 102, 0. So let's go do that. So what we do is we go to Shape Format, we go to Shape Fill, and we go to More Colors. And I believe it was 255, 102. Oh no, I got it wrong. So let's go back and see, what did I miss? 255, 102, 0. 255, 102, 0. Okay. Oh. Okay, just got to make that 0. That's what happened. Okay, so that's my orange color right there. The next color I want to do that's secondary is what we know as purple, but they actually call violet. So we want to go do that. So on this it says purple, but you'll see that on other websites it says violet. Maybe I'll just stick with purple. No, because secondary colors don't say that. So 102, 0, 255. So let's go do that. first, where is purple supposed to be? Right there. So boom, boom. Shape fill. More colors. I'm forgetting already what it's supposed to be. 102, 0, 255. Okay, so there's my purple. And then the last secondary color that we have is yellow. No. Yeah, yellow. 255, 255, 0. And yellow is right here. And I'm going to do more fill colors. 255, 255, and 0. And I've got my yellow, so that looks good. Okay, so now I've got primary colors. Red, green, blue. Now I've got secondary colors. Purple, orange, yellow. So now let's do some tertiary colors, which is blending in between red and orange. So when you blend red and orange together, you're going to get a red-orange. That's a different website, which I provided on the assignment. So that one is right here. And what we'll do is search for it. Red-orange, or is it orange-red? There it is. So orange-red. Sometimes it flip-flops on this website for some reason, but it's going to go find us orange-red, and the RGB code is 255690, so I'll go do that for orange-red, which is here. So 255, 69, and 0 blue, and a red-orange, so that's good. And then let's go and do red-violet. I think that's why we used violet, because this website actually uses violet. So let's see, red-violet or violet-red. Ooh. Medium red violet. Oh, I wonder if it has to have a dash. Yep, this one has the dash, so red violet. Okay, now it's coming back to me. I forget, sometimes they want that dash. Okay, so RGB 199, 21, 133. I think what I want to do is actually split screens here, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. So I'm going to split that. I'm going to open this over here. And so, ooh, but it hides it a little bit. Why does it hide that? Okay, there it is. 199, 21, 133. So the one I'm changing is right here. And I'm going to go to shape format. Actually, I think I can right click on it. I'm going to fill color. I'm going to go more fill color. And this is 199. 199. 21. And 133. Okay, so that's that. Now the next one that we need to do is the blue violet. So that's that one right there. So if I go to this website and look it up again, blue violet, blue dash violet, there it is, blue violet. And I've got 138, 43, 226. I'm actually just going to do split screen since I have it. I'll go back and forth. Okay, so this is 138, 43, 226. 138, 43, 226. Okay, and the next one will be blue-green. So I'm going to do that one right here. So blue-green. Going back to this website here, I'm going to look up blue-green, which is right there. Here's my RGB code again, 13.152.186. And so I'm going to do my shape fill, more colors, RGB code 13 red, 152 green, and 186 blue will give me that color. And we have 2 more to go, so next is yellow green, which is right here. Going back to my website to look it up. Let's see if we need a dash this time. So yellow green. Is it green yellow? It's green yellow this time. Okay. So green yellow. Our RGB code is right there. So I'm going to use my split screen capabilities. Okay. Shape fill. More fill colors. 173 red. 255 green. And 47 blue for that one. And last color is going to be this one right here, so yellow orange. So I'm going to go back one last time to this website, and we're going to look up that RGB code. So it might be orange yellow. Yep, there it is, orange yellow. And again, I'm going to go split screen since I have it, and I'm going to go shape fill, more colors, and I've got 248, and I've got 213, and I've got 104. Okay, that's going to give me that. So now I've got all the correct colors right now. Now the next step is we've got to label them. So this right here, you can see I've got labels inside of the circles, so I'm going to do that next. How are we doing on time here on the video? Okay, yeah, so this video is running a little over 10 minutes. I don't want to go much over that, so that's going to be the end of this tutorial. So we've got them all colored correctly. Next tutorial, we will label and start animation, so look for that tutorial next. I'll see you back in class.